Embarking on a journey toward weight management doesn't have to be about deprivation and restrictions. Instead, let's shift the focus to embracing wholesome, nutrient-rich additions to our daily diet. Healthy smoothies offer a delightful and convenient way to incorporate a plethora of fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other nourishing ingredients that not only support weight loss, but also contribute to overall well-being. In this exploration of delightful smoothie recipes, we'll discover a fusion of flavors and nutritional benefits that make breakfast or snacks a moment of joy. These quick and easy-to-make smoothies are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, providing a delicious and satisfying alternative to traditional, less healthy options. Get ready to blend your way to a healthier, happier you. Instead of focusing on what you need to cut out of your diet for weight loss, consider what you should add in, focusing on incorporating plenty of nourishing, nutrient-dense foods into your diet is effective for weight loss because it fuels your body with what it needs to be healthy and leaves little room to add back in the less healthy option. Focusing on adding in a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other whole foods into your diet helps you feel full, happy, and excited about what you can eat instead of feeling frustrated and upset over what you shouldn't eat. We love these healthy smoothie recipes because they are quick and easy to make, easy to swallow, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, so delicious for breakfast or as a snack. Ordering smoothies out is often expensive. Not only that, but they are usually loaded with fruit juices and other sweeteners that make them less healthy than you think. Making smoothies at home is a more cost-effective way to get all your nutrients. All you need to do is add the ingredients into a high-speed blender. Here are some tips for healthy smoothie. To add the liquid first, and add more liquid than the recipe calls for if it's too difficult to keep frozen fruit, including bananas, on hand so you can make a smoothie anytime. Frozen fruit is picked and frozen at peak freshness and is often more cost-effective than buying it in the produce section. Try adding frozen cauliflower to your recipes instead of ice for an extra nutrient boost. You won't even be able to taste the cauliflower. Add in a scoop of collagen powder to any smoothie for extra protein. Collagen is helpful for supporting healthy joints, skin, and hair. Throw the ingredients below into your blender and enjoy. Filling peanut butter banana oatmeal smoothie. Ingredients: PC 1 cup almond milk, N2 TBSP rolled oats, N1 frozen banana, N1 TBSP nut butter, just bull WLI seeds, N1 TBSP ground flaxseed, N4 TSP cinnamon, N4 CSP vanilla extract, any ice cubes as needed for desired consistency. Energizing gingerberry smoothie. Ingredients: Kales 1 cup almond milk or coconut milk, N2 half seed cup mixed frozen berries, N1 small banana, fresh or frozen, N1 barrel tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, N1 thumb-sized piece of ginger root, peeled, N TBSP, chia seeds, N1 TBs, ground flax seeds, and ice cubes as needed for desired consistency. Vitamin C Boost Strawberry Smoothie. Ingredients: N1 cup almond milk, N2 frozen strawberries, N2 effin orange, N1 frozen banana, NTBSP, chia seeds, juice of 1 lemon, refreshing tropical mango pineapple smoothie. Ingredients: N1 cup coconut milk, N1 cup frozen mango chunks, N1 cup frozen pineapple chunk, and a kawach of a banana, NTBSP, chia seeds. Good morning green smoothie. Ingredients: N1 almond milk, 1 cup spinach or kale, N1 banana, fresh or frozen, 1 TBSP almond butter or peanut butter, tier weight to a BSP's tier seeds, and 1 TBSP ground flaxseed, and 4 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Ash ice cubes as needed to desired consistency. Simple and nourishing blueberry smoothie. Ingredients: is 1 cup almond milk or coconut milk, and fun of you end top frozen blueberries, and back to 9 full cup frozen cauliflower, and 1 cup spinachiation, 2 medjool dates pitted, and 1 TBSP chia seeds, and 1 TBSP ground flax seeds. Mighty Health is your home for healthy living. Pair with your very own health coach to receive personalized exercise, nutrition, and health guidance. The Mighty Health app is designed to be your one-stop shop for all your healthy living needs to help you thrive in the best years of your life. As we conclude our journey into the realm of healthy smoothie recipes for weight management, remember that fostering positive habits is key to sustainable well-being. By choosing nutrient-dense options and embracing these delicious, you're not only fueling your body, but also cultivating a joyful relationship with food. Homemade smoothies grant you the flexibility to experiment with flavors while ensuring that every sip contributes to your overall health. Whether you're savoring the filling peanut butter banana oatmeal smoothie or indulging in the refreshing tropical mango pineapple smoothie, each concoction offers a delightful blend of taste and nutrition. So let your blender be your ally on the path to a healthier lifestyle. And here's to many more vibrant mornings and energized afternoons fueled by the goodness of wholesome smoothie